Section 5. Going further with production. In this section, we're going to demonstrate using secrets in applications, Kubernetes services, achieving high availability, and scaling Kubernetes, using secrets in applications. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to manage a pod definition YAML file that will mount volumes containing secrets, and we'll also cover using secrets as environment variables. So what is a Kubernetes secret API object? Secrets are Kubernetes objects that we can create and store in the platform. When you create a secret, just as with other API objects, the request to create the secret is served by the API server and stored in etcd encrypted. Using secrets in applications. Method 1. Using secrets as volumes mounted to a pod. Secrets can be mounted as data volumes to our pods. We first need to create a secret object, and to do that we use the kubectl command line interface and the create secret command. When we create the secret, we can refer to plain text files, or we can refer to a YAML configuration for an object type secret. See the example below. We can name the volume mounts.name after one of the volumes.name in the spec. We specify mount path, an empty path where we would like our secret to appear. When we set read-only to true, applications in our pod won't be able to write to the secret file. We can specify a volume for our pod to mount. Think of this as like giving a hard drive to your pod. We can name our volumes.name anything we want. Think of this as like giving a hard drive to your pod. Volumes.secret.secretName is the name of one of the secret objects we have created via the kubectl command line interface tool. Now, when our pods are deployed, our applications will be able to fetch the decoded secret stored at the mount path /etc/foo. Now, to confirm our secrets are available within the container, Now if we use the ls command from within our container, we should see that the path and the secrets we specified exist. And to do that, you need to SSH into your container. To use a secret as an environment variable, we simply need to specify the env block in our pod definition. The env.name field is the name of the environment variable we will pass. In this case, we're using secret_username. The environment value from field specifies the secret to use as the environment variable. Now, once our pod is up, we can check from within our pod to see if our environment variables were created. We can do this by SSHing into our pod, and we can use the echo command. Using the $ symbol, we can actually print the variable. To summarize, the kubelet in each worker node helps keep mounted secrets updated. The secret object managed by the platform can be referenced in a pod definition. We can specify a volume and path where our application can locate the secret in the container's file system.